Similar. Okay friends, so in the last session we talked about Microsoft and Microsoft Office. In this session we are starting from Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word and why we need to learn it, why we use Microsoft Word, and what it is made for. So at first we have to open Microsoft Word. Search here and write Word or MS Word. You can open it in this way. So we can open it this way. Here is open. Click into open and the Microsoft Word will open. And you can run as administrator, open its file location, and pin or unpin to start menu, pin to taskbar, and also many more. So here we opened Microsoft Word. At first we have a welcome message. Good morning. It's morning, so it says good morning. And this is Microsoft 2021. So at first we have documents. We have many documents here. Here is new. It means new blank document. If you pop up, open it, you have blank document, a CV or resume, a created template, another resume, and a chronological resume, and another template for it, another template, and another template. If you want more created templates, come to more templates. You have more templates here, and go down, you have more templates, and also created free templates if you want to use them for letter, for report, blank letter, and so blank report, and Word 2003 look, and for example many more. So the first one is the home menu. In home menu we discussed about templates, more templates. Now we come to recent. What is recent? Recent are the documents that you worked recently on. Like for example, this document I worked on July 30, and this is the date modified, July 30. This document July 11. This document also, and you have the recent works you have done here. If you want to look about more recent works, so you click on more documents. And here is the pinned one. I didn't pin anyone, so if you want to pin a document that you always use, like for example I pin this document, pin to list, right click here and pin to list, so it will pin over here. You can use the pinned document anytime, access it anytime. This was about Microsoft Word interface, opening interface. And then we have the new. Click on new, again the templates, blank document, what you want to make a new template. And if you want to search for a template, search here. Also we have the open command. If you click on open, which document do you want to open? If you can't find in recent and pinned, then you can use open. So here open recent documents. If you upload it to OneDrive, open that document. If you are using this PC, then click on this PC, and you have the folders, which folder you saved, and add a place. If you want to add a place, like for example OneDrive, and also for business, you can place your document there. Note that the internet connection is required. And if you want to browse for a document, so you have to click and browse for document. Like for example, I go to documents, and here I save it, for example my Word document, and I open. So this was about the open. So now in Microsoft Word, if you want to create a new blank document, so you have to click on blank document. So a new interface will come and a blank document will be paired. Here we have quick access bar. This is called quick access bar. And quick access bar we have in Microsoft Office 2021, the autosave option. If you are working here, and if you are working for a desktop, and in a desktop and if the power or electricity suddenly shuts down. So the autosave works very well. And if you want to turn on, we'll cover it later. And also save, you want to save your document, undo, redo, and more quick access options. If you want to add or remove quick access option, you can do it here. Like for example, I want a new click button. I want a new document, I click on new document. So this was quick access bar. And if you want to search a command here, you can search here. Like for example, word count, print, and many more. So first we come to menus. We have many menus in Microsoft Word. First menu is file. We will cover it later. It has many options. Second menu is a home menu or home tab. We can call it by both names. Home menu is about editing and making the essentials, accessing the essentials. Like for example, in home menu we have different parts: clipboard part, font part, and paragraph part, styles. So every part has its own tools. First we have clipboard part. In clipboard we have paste, cut, copy, and format painter. We will discuss it now. So for example, first if I want to write some text, I want the second sentence to be repeated twice. So here I am going to select it. Left click mouse, hold it and drag it down. Also, if you want to cut, copy, or format painter. Now we are going to copy it first. I want this sentence twice here. So I click in the area I want the text to be pasted, and I click on paste. So this sentence, this line or this sentence is repeated twice. And if I want this area, I want to remove this area from here to this place. For example, if I am going to write it here, the video that best fits, it takes long. It takes very long. So for that, I'm going to select it and cut from here and select this area, paste. So this was about the cut. If you want to remove a text from anywhere to elsewhere, so you can use cut and paste. If you want text to repeat more times than one or two, you can use copy. Enter here and then paste your text. Paste, paste, paste. So every time when we use, like for example, when we are in this menu and we want to use copy and paste, cut and paste, should we head to home menu? No. We are having shortcuts. Shortcuts, like for example, if you want to copy a text, holding Control and then click C. Control C, it will copy. Now I want to paste here. For pasting, hold Control and plus V. Control V. Control V. Control V. Hold it for more repeats. Okay. This was about the copy and paste. And now we have to learn a shortcut for cutting, for cut. This was about the copy, and this shortcut will be for cutting. If you want to cut this word from here, simply hold Control plus X. It will cut the word or sentence you selected. And then where you want to paste, like for example, I want to paste here, Control plus V. The shortcut for paste is the same for cut and copy, but the shortcut for copy is Control C and for cut is the Control X. Okay, then we have discussed cut and copy. Now we are going to discuss on format painter. What is format painter? Format painter is something like, for example, if you have text somewhere, I give a style to this paragraph. Like for example, I come here, make it bold and give a color, highlight color, and like for example, give a text color. So I want this format to apply to this paragraph. So again I come in bold, highlight, and text color and size. No, you use format filter. So I stay here or select any area of the text and click on format, and I want to apply to this text. So simply select the area. The text and style and also the font will automatically be applied from this to that. And if you want this text to be like this, then you have to stay an area of the text and click format filter and select the text. Simply, right? Very good. So this was about the format filter. If you want a shortcut about format filter, stay here, right, and in 1 second and 2 seconds there will be shortcut Control plus Shift plus C and Control plus Shift plus V. So you will apply. First I want this text style to apply to this, Control plus Shift plus C, and then I want to paste on this sentence, Control plus Shift plus V. So the same design will be applied to this. This was about the clipboard, and in next video we will talk on fonts, how to give a font, how to give styles, and what about the colors, fonts, sizes, and also many more. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more videos. Have a good time.